Hey YouTube, Sam here, working on the 02 Buick Rendezvous. Say that 10 times fast. Probably fairly easy actually. And I'm replacing the air filter in it. This is a new to us car, so I haven't really done a whole lot other than put oil in it. But here we are on the driver's side here. This is where it is, and I've already kind of messed with it. There's two clips on the top here. It's fairly warm right now, so you might hear me ouch and ooch if I hit the wrong thing here. But it appears to me like right now I'm going to go ahead and unplug this. There's just a clip here that you pull out on, fairly easy one to get off. And just using I'm outside, so I'm using my Leatherman here for what I can. And there's a couple of hose clamps here. I'll start with this one. Let's see if I can get it to come loose fairly easily. Notice how long it's been on here. So I don't think I can pull this. Well, I might be able to. I'd like to be able to get this off of it, but it's not wanting to really come without burning myself. I probably should just let this thing relax, but I got somewhere I need to be, so I'm trying to just get it done here. There we go. Anytime I'm just trying to get it done, usually it's when it takes twice as long as it needs to. Hot dang. I think I'll be able to push this down past here. It's going to be a rotten egg for a little bit here. And I don't know. It's going to be totally the wrong way to do it, but I'm hoping doing that will give me enough room to pull this out and up a little bit, but it sure is going to fight. I do believe I'm going to pop that off too. Set the tools up there. Alright. Pop that off. That should give me more than enough room. Pull this up through here now. This is why I'm doing it. I saw that there was a whole bunch of nasty stuff in here when I just kind of took a little look at it. Everything from bird wings to grass growing in here almost. I don't know what kind of stuff they've been driving through with this thing. That is horrible. And I thought I'd throw this in here. That's the number for Fram that I got for the air filter. I just got the GP Fram one here. And it looks like there's a bird or something has made a nest up in here. There's a whole bunch of grass down in here. What in the world? Boy, I'd like to get in there and do that, but part of the reason I'm doing this is because I'm heading out of town tomorrow to go pick up something from IKEA. I just wanted to get this done so I got a little better gas mileage and maybe didn't clog the filter up right away. But the way it looks right now, I'm gonna see how hard it is to get this box off of here. You may get another video. Take this off, and there's nothing but a computer underneath there. I can't get down to where I want to be, and I'd have to take this off to get to it anyway. So, for right now, it's better than it was, and I tried to dig in there and get what I could. And we're just going to go with it for now. Now, since I was getting some tools for this, I went and grabbed a screwdriver. I've loosened this up. And I'm going to kind of pop this off too. And it looks like there's another little sensor up here that will go ahead and And like a PVC pipe of some sort that goes in here. Maybe. I'll get rid of that. No, maybe not. This thing is just going to fight me every time I touch it, isn't it? I can already tell. Anyhow, well, I'm not going to mess with that. I can get it on the rest of the way, so I'm going to plug that back in. And that's at least up out of the way, a little bit easier probably to get to things. And so I'm going to clean this out best I can for now. We'll stick it back in and go with it for now. It'll be better than it was, but what I should have done maybe is went and grabbed a vacuum, but it's getting kind of dark out here and I need to get this done, so I'm going to get it done for now. Alright, and then there's I should show that to you. 4 holes down in the mechanism down there that you, or the box down there that these all kind of intertwine into. Just got to get those in. I'm going to go ahead and pick this back up. I'm going to turn this if I can. No, unfortunately, it's supposed to go that way. This should get out of the way somewhat here. Alright, and I've got my stubby here, and I don't know if that's even going to work. This is a horrible direction to be putting this for a screwdriver, but you can't turn it. It's set in this way. So, I'm going to do the best I can with my long screwdriver here. Horrible spot for that. Wonder. Okay, that feels fairly tight. We're going to go with it. And squeeze this back in here. And down onto this one. Come on now. There we go. For an easy spot to get to it, it is pretty tight in here. These back up, and that's it. Well, it wasn't the easiest one, but it wasn't too bad. This is Sam, Jack of all, Master none. You all have a good one.